Ming, Ali and Raj have 32 robots altogether. If Ming gives 3 of his robots to Ali and Raj, he would have 2 more than what Ali and Raj have altogether. How many robots did Ming have? So I will draw a model with Ming and Ali and Raj together because the question always group them together. So there's no need to separate them. So if Ming were to give 3 of what he has to Ali and Raj, Ming will still have 2 more than them, right? So 2 belongs here. So I also can trace these 3 out here. And in total, they have 32 robots altogether. So remaining, I can just put 1 unit, 1 unit. Okay, so I hope you know that this 3 was already given here. So this 3 doesn't exist anymore. So can you see that if I take 32 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3, I will get back 2 units. So 2 units is just 32 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2. And that should give you 24. So 2 units is 24. 1 unit will just be 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So 1 unit is 12. How many robots did Ming have? So Ming initially had this amount at first, right? So that's 1 unit plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 unit, which is 12, plus 3 plus 2 plus 3, which is 20. So answer is 20.